Hello students, welcome to SST class for KG2. Children, this is your SST book. So let's begin our lesson, children. Open page number 15, lesson 4. Our clothes. Children, we all wear clothes, different types of clothes we wear. And children, can you tell me why we wear clothes? Yes, we wear clothes to protect our body and to cover it. And we will look smart if we wear clean and neat clothes. So let's start our lesson. We need clothes to cover and protect our body. We look smart in clean clothes. Children, why we need clothes? We need clothes to cover and protect our body. Protect from what? Protect from insects, from infection, germs. Also, we need clothes. Clothes protect us from those infection or insects, all those things. We look smart in clean clothes. Children, when you wear clean and iron cloth, well iron cloth, how you look? How you look? You look very smart. But if you wear a saggy clothes and not iron properly, then you look dull. So clothes makes us look smarter. See children here, clothes keep us warm in cold days. Children, when in cold days, in winter season, we all wear winter clothes like jacket, sweater, muffler, gloves, all those things. So that to keep our body warm. Clothes keep us cool in hot days. Children, now you all know hot days are going on, summer season is going on, and we are feeling hot if we come outside our house. So, what type of clothes we wear now? We wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool in hot days. Then clothes protect us from rain. Children, when rainy season come, that time what clothes we wear? We wear our rainy clothes like our raincoat, jackets, all those things. Umbrella, we use umbrella. We wear raincoats to protect ourselves from rain. Then clothes protect us from insects. Children, you all know we wear full sleeve clothes so that the insect do not bite us or we will be away from insects. So children, today only this much I will teach you. Your work is to read this page 5 times in your house. Thank you children. I am stopping here. Have a nice day.